Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is also related to PAMDAS and BODMAS method. In this quiz, we will learn how to solve this expression using PAMDAS and BODMAS method. In this expression, we have basic operation minus, plus, multiplication and division. And also we have a bracket which has the power. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Now let's talk about what are the rules which we can apply to solve the given expression. As you can see, here we will discuss mass and PAMDAS. These rules we can apply to solve any arithmetic expression. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After the bracket, you have to see the power of any number. If your expression contains any number which has the power, so you have to solve that part after the bracket. Step number 3 is you have to solve division and multiplication. So the both has similar precedence. So what you have to do, you have to go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first, and we can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. So we have to go left to right and find out which is coming first. Now, according to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, we will solve this expression. One more thing, these rules are similar, so you can solve any of them using in PAMDAS or BODMAS. You can pick any method and you will get same answer. So now let's move toward the BODMAS rule or PAMDAS rule. So the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so first of all you have to solve the bracket. So here we have one bracket, this one, and other one is this one. So you have to solve this bracket. So first we will write 10 multiplied by and 5 plus 3 equals to 8. We will write like this way. And again we have to write this part 4 minus 2 raised to power 2. We will write as it is. And here we have to give the reference 5 plus 3 equals to 8. Now move forward, step number 1, we will repeat because we have another bracket. But so we have to solve this one, 4 minus 2. So first we have to solve the inside bracket, which is 4 minus 2. So we will write like 10 multiplied by 8 and divided by 4 minus 2 is equals to 2 raised to power 2 because outside the bracket we have 2. So we will write this part here. And here we have to give the reference 4 minus 2 equals to 2. Now move forward. Step number 2 because step number 1 has completed. Like we have solved all bracket or parenthesis. So now we have to go for exponent part which is 2 raised to power 2. So what we have to do, 10 multiplied by 2 divided by 2 raised to power 2 means 4. So here we have to write 4 and here we have to give the reference 2 raised to power 2 equals to, now we have solved this one. Now step number 2 we have solved. Now we have to go for division and multiplication, step number 3. So what we have to do, we have here multiplication and division. So you can say like I'm using the BODMAS, so I will solve first this part. And someone says like I'm using the PAMDAS, so I will solve the multiplication first. So the rule says you have to go left to right in this expression and find out which is coming first. So first we have here 10 multiplied by 8, which is equals to 80 and divided by 4. We will write here as it is. And here we have to give the reference like 10 multiplied by 4 equals to 80. Now move forward. We have here two terms, 80 divided by 4. So we will divide these two terms and get the answer is 20. So the answer of the given expression is 20. If you see the answer list, so answer C is the correct answer of this expression. So I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.